So today our new topic is conditional formatting. Okay, why we are? What is the importance of this conditional formatting? As we discussed earlier, formatting means applying this background color, font color, changing the font size and font type. You know, the alignment of this content. Everything comes under formatting styles. Correct? Agree?
Yeah, yeah,
Bold, italic, underline, all these comes under formatting styles, correct? So, but when it comes to this conditional formatting, and this is self-explanatory, so we are applying the formatting styles based on a condition. Okay, you got it right. What is conditional formatting? We are applying formatting styles based on a condition called conditional formatting. So you can find that conditional formatting in the home tab, and this is the one. So you can read the definition. Easily spot trends and patterns in your data using bars, colors, icons, and to visually highlight the important values. Okay, so for example, if you are looking for a specific values, or if you're looking for a specific, you want to highlight some of the values, so based on a condition, you can use this conditional formatting. For example, I have a data of sales and I want to find out the sales having the highest, I mean, greater than 900. Okay, I want to highlight the sales which is having greater than 900. So how to identify? In manually you can identify, okay, this is greater than 900. Let's highlight it. Come down. This is the another one. Highlight it. So this is the manual way you need to highlighting the values. But there is another way to highlight the values. Uh, by default we have a special feature called conditional formatting. Okay, how to do that? Just select your data. Okay, let's select from, okay, I'll show you for a single cell. Okay, select a cell, go to the conditional formatting. What is your, and you can see different types of section here. Okay, and you can see highlight the cell rules. See, what is my condition? If the cell is greater than 900, then I want to make it by default. You can see light red fill with dark red text, right? This is yellow fill. Fill means background color. Green fill, background color green, light thick dark green is font color. Only red fill, red text, or red border. If you want to make your own style, go to the custom format, go to the fill color. This is the one I want to make it highlight. Can you see it? Already changed. So this is greater than 900. Now I make it into 899. Can you guess what is the answer for this? The
it won't
background
reflect
color
background
will
color.
be fade off. Okay. So if it is greater than or equal to 900, greater than 900. Okay. So now you have applied for only one cell, right? But you can also apply for entire cells. You can apply at one time. Okay, how to do that? And I want to remove this condition formatting. Go to conditional, clear rules. What do you want? How you want to perform this? You want to clear the conditional formatting for the selected cells or entire sheet? Entire sheet means whatever the conditional formatting has been applied into the overall sheet, it will be removed. Okay, and this is selected cells. So when you click this option, it will the conditional formatting to only the selected cells. Clear? Am I clear? So now I'm removing the rules from the selected cell. I have selected only single cell, just clear. Chudandi, you can't see, right? It was removed, but how do you confirm? Okay, let me tell you. Let me apply again. 900 with custom text, I mean custom formatting styles. Okay, okay, done. Next. So how can you check whether conditional formatting existed or not? Just go to conditional formatting, manage rules. Okay, clear rules can be used to remove the conditional formatting from the selected cells or entire sheet. Manage rules. Manage rules, you can see what condition you have applied here. So your condition has been applied greater than 900. If you want to edit, you can edit also. You don't want to greater than, you want to use greater than or equal to. Okay, you can change like this. You can change this. Okay, apply. Okay, you got it right. What is clear rules? Clear rules can be used to clear the conditional formatting from the selected cells or entire sheet. What is a manage rules? Manage rules can be is used to see the what condition you have applied on this particular cell. You got it right? Any questions so far?
None.
To make any edit, you can edit. You can also edit like 1,000. You can change that. But this is not greater than 1,000, right? Now I applied this. Now it was showing. Now I am entering 900 or 9.4. Do you see? No, right? Okay, this is for single cell. If you want to apply for a couple of cells, so first I will remove entire sheet. I'll clear entire. Okay, let me see. Do you see? Okay, select this 904. Can you see the condition formatting here? No, right? Because I have removed from entire sheet. Okay, how to do it for a bunch of cells or collection of cells? So select all the data you want to apply, go to conditional formatting, highlight rules, greater than is 100 900. Let's make it fill into custom sort, which is 1000. Sorry, yellow color. Okay, can you see? You can see only 900. For example, now you can change any value to 900. Okay, suppose I want to, let me see the manage rules. Can you see what is your condition, from which cells it was applied? From F2 to F1301, right? For all these cells, this condition has been applied. Okay, I want to implement same. If this is less than 900, want to make it into red. Or we'll do one thing, I'll just change this. I'll change this. What is my condition is, if greater than 900 is always green. Okay, let me change in this way. Okay, in between 700 to 900. Okay, in between 700 to 900 is yellow. So you want to apply the condition on the same numbers. Just select the set, go to the highlight the cells, in between. You got it right? Between, which is 700, 900, and the custom cell is custom format, which is yellow. Okay, apply. Can you see? Between 700 900. Okay. I have another condition. If the cell is less than 700, make it red. I hope you understand what is conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, can you apply? Chudandi, I have a conditional formatting cell. I am trying to apply some background color is yellow. You cannot apply. So then immediately you should check for conditional formatting. Okay, does this cell contains any conditional formatting or not? Okay, this cell contains conditional formatting. That's why I'm unable to apply conditional formatting. Okay, got it? And you can try out for remaining things. See, greater than, less than, between, we have seen, equal to. Equal to also you can use either numerical thing or text related also. Okay, equal to. And text contains, for example, చూడండి, let me highlight these cells. Thus highlight the cells. The text contains clean. The word is clean. Okay, like this you can highlight. Okay, Andy? So wherever the clean word has been found out, all those will be highlighted. Next, so date occurring, you can also, so yesterday, tomorrow, today. So if you have a date column, you want to highlight the date which is equal to today or tomorrow or last week or next week, next month, you can also use this. Okay, date column to saha. You can also use this greater than, less than for your date as well. So greater than, less than this date. Okay, like this you can also highlight your cells. Okay, so I will give you a practice session on this, on the conditional formatting. Highlight the conditional formatting. See, also for some time you want to highlight some duplicates in your data. Okay, let's highlight. Go to this, highlight cells, duplicates. Maybe some duplicates were happened here, that's why it was highlighted almost. Okay, సో ఇది డూప్లికేట్ లేదు, కింద దాంట్లో ఎక్కడ డూప్లికేట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అయ్యలేదు, అందుకే ఇది హైలైట్ అవ్వలేదు. ఓకే, సో వాట్ అబౌట్ నెక్స్ట్? ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ హైలైట్ ద టాప్ 10 ఐటమ్స్. ఓకే, okay, next. So we have another bunch of conditions: top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, above average, below average. Okay, so when you look at these conditions, can you expect something, right? When you look at all these conditions, కెన్ యూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయమంటున్నాడు అన్నది ఏమన్నా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయగలరా? కెన్ యూ ట్రై ఫర్ ఇట్? వాట్ హీ వాంట్స్ టు హైలైట్ ద సెల్స్? ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ టాప్ 10 ఐటమ్స్. వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్?
అంటే ఇన్ కేస్ సేల్స్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు పర్టికులర్ సేల్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సర్ఫ్ ఎక్సెల్ అట్లాంటిది, అంటే ఏదైనా ఐటమ్స్ టాప్ 10 ఎంత సేల్ అయింది అనేది హైలైట్ చేసి చూపించమని చెప్తారు.
కరెక్ట్. సో సింపుల్ యాజ్ that It is your, so top 10 means you are asking, hey, can you please top 10 numbers, అంతే. it doesn't matter. మీరు అడిగిన ఈ లిస్ట్లో వాట్ ఈజ్ మై టాప్ 10, మీకు టాప్ 10 కాకపోతే టాప్ 2 తీసుకోండి, లేకపోతే 100 తీసుకోండి, లేకపోతే 20 తీసుకోండి, యువర్ విష్. ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ ద టాప్ 5 నెంబర్స్. We'll see what is my top 100 is my top 1. I can see 100, 102, I think. Oh, this is also 100. Okay, let me. So I am just applying a filter. Go to the data, filter, down, filter by color. See, all are hundreds. Top 5 duplicates వచ్చినాయి కదా. Okay, let me see. For example, let me take some random numbers. So I want to take some random numbers. Can you see? Okay, now I want to highlight the top 2 items in this list. So by looking at these numbers, you can easily identify 992 and 947 is top 2, right? Let's highlight by using this top 2. Already highlight అయిపోయింది అక్కడ. Okay, top 2. I want to highlight least 2. Okay, I want to highlight the least 2, the smallest 2. Okay, the top 2 is 992, 947, the least 2. So these are the definition. Top 10 items, top 10 items, bottom 10 items. Okay, and top 10% and bottom 10% is different. Top 10 items means you're specifically saying that select or highlight 10 items. Okay, direct 10 items. But top 10% means, for example, how many numbers you have total? 11 items, right? Total you have 11 items. For example, you are saying that, can you please highlight 10% of top 10%? 11 items లో 10% అంటే ఎన్ని హైలైట్ చేయమని? ఇప్పుడు 100 ఉందండి, 100లో 10% ఎంత? 10% ఏనా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టాప్ 10 ఐటమ్స్ and top 10% items. Okay, I'm just explaining. Okay, tell me the answer. I have 120 numbers ఇలా ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, 120. I have list of 120 numbers. I want to highlight top 10. Okay, top 10 or top 5. Okay, no issues. Clear? Here I have 120 items, I mean 120 numbers. I am just asking select the top 10%. 10% ఎంత 120లో?
12.
20లో ఎంత అండి 10%?
12.
అంతే. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ టాప్ 5 అన్నాను అనుకోండి, టాప్ 5 సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. టాప్ 10 అన్నాను అనుకోండి, టాప్ 10 సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. టాప్ 3 అన్నాను అనుకోండి, టాప్ 3నే సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడేంటి పర్సంటేజ్ అనమాట. టాప్ 10% అని అనుకోండి, టోటల్ నా దగ్గర 120 ఉన్నాయి, అందులో 10% అంటే ఎన్ని ఐటమ్స్? 12 ఐటమ్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి అని అర్థం చేసుకుంటుంది. అర్థమైందా? పర్సంటేజ్ లెక్కన ఇక్కడ. సపోజ్ మీరు టాప్ 5% అన్నారు అనుకోండి, ఎన్ని ఐటమ్స్ హైలైట్ అవుతాయి?
5, 6 items.
6 ఐటమ్స్. అర్థమైందా? టాప్ 10కి అదే పర్సంటేజ్కి నార్మల్ నెంబర్కి డిఫరెన్స్ అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇందులో వీ హ్యావ్ వన్ మోర్ పాయింట్. బాటమ్ కూడా అంతే, బాటమ్ 10% అంటే ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేయమండి, బట్ ఐమ్ జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు లెట్ యూ నో ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. టాప్ 10 వాడతాం, బాటమ్ 10 వాడతాం, పర్సంటేజ్లు వాడడం. అలాగే అబోవ్ యావరేజ్, బిలో యావరేజ్, సింపుల్. సెలెక్ట్ ద వాల్యూస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సమ్? 4639. How many count? 11. What is the average? 421. This is the actual average, right? So we are telling that above average, below average. Above average ante enti, below average ante enti. So when you select this above average, whatever the values are greater than 421, those will be highlighted. Below average ante what are the values are below this 421, those will be highlighted. ఈ యావరేజ్ అనేది ఇంటర్నల్గా ఇట్ విల్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్. Internally it will calculate this average. We are not telling that. When you select above average, sara marpeniya చూడండి, అబోవ్ యావరేజ్ ఇవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ వాటి మీద ఒక కండిషన్ ఉంటే దాన్ని ఓవర్ రైట్ అయిపోయింది అనమాట. ఓకే, కండిషనల్ ఫార్మాట్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు మేక్ ఏ చేంజ్ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై చేంజ్. ఎడిట్ రూల్, ఫార్మాట్కి వెళ్ళి వాంట్ టు font color would be white, bold, italic, bold, italic. Okay, done. Okay, apply. Okay, Sarah, font color you can apply font color, background color. Now if I enter some 1 2 3, నార్మల్ వచ్చింది, ఇటాలిక్ లేదు, బ్లూ లేదు, ఏమీ లేదు. అబోవ్ యావరేజే చేసా, బిలో యావరేజ్కి చేయలేదు. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, యూ గాట్ ఇట్ రైట్. హౌ టు హైలైట్ యువర్ డేటా పాయింట్స్ బై యూజింగ్ కండిషనల్ ఫార్మాటింగ్. ఓకే, గ్రేటర్ దెన్ వాల్యూ, లెస్ దెన్ ఎ వాల్యూ, బిట్వీన్, ఈక్వల్ టు, text contains data occurring, duplicate values, top 10, bottom 10, above average, below average. Okay, now we are going to discuss about a special symbols we can use. Instead of highlighting these cells, you can now also use some kind of symbols. What are all these symbols? If you go to, these are all the symbols. For example, if you're working for a target based kind of work, so if you are achieving the target, you can moderate. If you are below the target, you can showcase this down arrow. If you are achieved more than the target, suppose you need to complete 100 climbs per day and you did 105, your direction would be green. And you made it, you should complete 100 but you almost more than 90, so then use this. If you are less than 90, then you will be in red arrow. Okay, not only arrows, you can also use these shapes. Okay, also you can use some icon sets or data bars. Okay, let's see how it actually. So, and for example, sometimes we have, these are all some pre-built and default conditions that we have in this Excel, but you can write your own function. Okay, you can write your own function in this uh, conditional formatting as well. For that, you should use this new rule. Okay, it will open one window. When you see this, you can easily identify formatting the cells based on a values. Format only cells that contains. ఓకే చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ లెస్ దెన్ ఇవన్నీ మనం చూసాం కదండి. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ హైలైట్ ద సెల్స్ అని ఇది కూడా చూసారు మీరు. టాప్ 10 ఐటమ్స్, బాటమ్ 10 ఐటమ్స్, రైట్? అబవ్ యావరేజ్, బిలో యావరేజ్, కరెక్ట్? డూప్లికేట్స్, యూనిక్స్ కూడా మనం చూసాం. చూడండి, యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై యూనిక్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై డూప్లికేట్ వాల్యూస్. Okay, you can also write your own formula. For example, not always we'll get we cannot use this predefined conditions. Sometimes we need to write our own data, own formula to apply these formattings. Okay, this is the custom formula. This is the area where we can write our own formulas. Okay, so before getting into that, let me select a couple of cells. Now I want to make it icon sets. Can you see, by default it applies some conditions. If you make a change, just select it, go to manage rules, select edit rule. What is your condition? If this is greater than or equal to 900 and that is a number, right? Those are all not percentage number. If greater than 900, then show as a green. Next. So if this is less than 900 and greater than or equal to 700, then this is the one. And if it is less than 700, automatically it apply. Let's apply this. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Let's make it some big number here. Okay, so not only highlighting the cells, you can also apply some values, symbols. Here you have one more option called, let's edit, show icon only. Make it middle. Can you see any number here? But when you enter any value, this is changing. 988, this is comes to arrow. So they will, like, whoever look at these symbols, how these symbols are generating when entering the value, how this is generating these arrows. Okay, అలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. How to make it? Just select this, go to this, manage rules, edit, uncheck. Now you can see the numbers as well. Okay, this is some examples of conditional formatting. We can discuss more in later. Okay.